Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Thinkorswim time zone. Setting the correct time zone ensures your charts, watch lists, and trading activity line up with the market hours you actually follow. This is especially helpful if you travel, work across regions, or want timestamps to match your local clock and daylight saving rules. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to fully load so all menus and charts appear. You'll land on the main workspace where you can see your symbols, watch lists, and charting tools. Keeping the platform open and stable helps the change apply smoothly across your layouts. Next, click on a chart. Doing this focuses the platform on the charting view, which is where you'll notice the time zone change most clearly. It also makes the settings you're about to adjust feel immediately relevant, since you can look at the time axis and see how timestamps are displayed before and after the update. At the top of the platform, click on Settings. Depending on your layout, you may see it as a label or an icon at the top bar. This is where the platform's core preferences live, including display formats, language, and time-related options. Opening Settings keeps all your changes in one place, so you won't have to dig through multiple panels. In the Settings window, go to the General section. General houses overall preferences that affect the entire platform rather than just a single chart. It's the best place to control universal items like time display and measurement units, and it is where you'll find the time zone selector. Find the time zone dropdown and click it. You'll see a list organized by region and UTC offset. Choose the option that matches where you are or the market schedule you want to follow. If you regularly track a particular exchange's local time, pick the region that corresponds to that market. Selecting the right zone helps keep pre-market, regular, and after-hour sessions visually consistent with your expectations. Select your preferred time zone. The change should take effect right away. Look at the dates and times along the bottom of your chart and in other time-stamped areas to confirm they now reflect your chosen zone. If you frequently deal with daylight saving changes, select a zone that aligns with your local rules so the platform adjusts automatically when clocks shift. You can return to this setting anytime to switch zones again if your needs change. That's it. You've updated the Thinkorswim time zone, ensuring your trading view matches the clock you live by.